Hello guys, this is Advocate Shantanu Ayachi. I hereby acknowledge and invite you to like and subscribe my channel Online Legal Help. Friends, today I am in front of you to discuss a very famous and very influential topic, that is the maintenance rights of the divorcees. Yes. What are the maintenance rights of the divorcees? Maintenance is basically a concept which comes into the play when the couple approaches the court for justice for divorce. Since maintenance has its own link with the divorce, maintenance can be said that it is different in all three religions. Maintenance is a concept which allows one person to get financial support from his or her spouse from the other, and even in another case as well. Factors like the monthly income of a husband and wife, the financial status of a husband and a wife are considered before the court for granting maintenance. Generally, the court keeps an eye on the maintenance of her children while granting the maintenance. The husband and wife have to provide financial support to the minor child as well, even after divorce. It's their liability. It can't be generalized that a wife is only the party who can get maintenance always. There are some legal provisions as well which allows the man as well to get maintenance from the wife even after divorce. Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act clearly says that maintenance, pendant light and expenses of the proceedings can be granted in favor of both husband and wife. Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act allows the court to grant lifetime maintenance to both husband as well as wife who are financially low in status. Delhi High Court made an observation in a landmark case when the husband has no self-income to run his life can claim maintenance from his wife even after divorce. Bombay High Court made a different interpretation which gives and says more clarity about Section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act. It was held that in a case that where the husband is entitled to get maintenance under Section 24 himself and he depends wholly on the income of his wife, then the wife is entitled to give him maintenance. Maintenance in case of women is different. Women also have a special right called right of Stridhan, which is different from maintenance. What is Stridhan? Stridhan is basically the property gained by a woman at the time of marriage. It is different from dowry. Women have full rights over the properties even after divorce. Now, if we discuss and categorize it according to different religions, let's first of all talk about the Hindu laws. A Hindu couple who got married under the Hindu Marriage Act can get maintenance through the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. The court is the final authority which can solve the disputes in the case deciding the maintenance amount. But if we talk about the Muslim law, it's way different. According to the Muslim belief, man has to maintain his wife and family. The term maintenance under Muslim law is called nafqa, N-A-F-A-Q-A, and it involves the lodging, food and even substances as well. These are governed by the Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Divorce Act 1986, in which a wife can claim reasonable fair amount from her ex-husband. That is called the period of iddat. And Muslim women have to give the amount which they have promised. The promised amount can be termed as the dower or the meher. But if a wife is pregnant, claim can be made of almost 2 years from the date of birth of the child. If they had a child in wife's custody, then the wife can also claim maintenance of a child till she remarries or the child becomes wholly dependent. The allowances which the wife get under Muslim marriage law can be termed differently. Some call them kharcha-e-paidana, some call them as a gujara, but basically it is termed as maintenance. But if we talk about the maintenance law in Christians, they are governed by Indian Divorce Act as regard to the Christian couples. According to this act, the amount of maintenance cannot be more than 1/5 of the husband's income. Maintenance will not be provided if a woman remarry or goes into adultery. So friends, today we have discussed in this video about the maintenance of the rights of the divorcees. I would request you to please like and subscribe my channel, Online Legal Help. The description has been given in detail and contact number has been given above. If you want to contact us, our legal team is available to assist you. Thank you friends.